Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to be doing a DIY. So I went shopping and I found this clipboard. It's like a mini clipboard, and I thought it was really like cute and small, and if it was like decorated, it would be like a really nice decoration for a room or something, just to make it a small bit more kind of your own. And so I looked up ideas for clipboards and stuff. So in my bedroom I have like this picture frame kind of thing, and it's like a book behind, just a page from a book, and then there's like a quote over it, and I thought that was like really cool, so I'm going to do that with this clipboard. So let's get started. Okay, so to start off, I obviously have the clipboard. Then I ripped a page out of a book that we had. I don't know if anybody needed that book, but I ripped it out. I would probably get in trouble if my parents see this, which they will, so sorry. But good luck trying to find the book that I ripped it out. I guess you'll see it when you read it. No, I'm joking. This is out of like the beginning of the book. It wasn't even like the start of the story. I didn't really think it was that important. But if you really want to read the prelogs, just look them up on the internet. So I got that as well. And then I have obviously glue, a drawing pen and a black marker. Then I have two metallic gold and rose gold markers. I have a thick black marker, scissors, and a mechanical pencil, and obviously chapstick, because yeah. And I guess let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to, like, if you can see, the edges of the paper isn't really like straight as this side is, so I'm just gonna cut this straight. Okay, so I'm just going to glue that down. Make sure that like every corner is stuck down, just so that it doesn't start peeling off. You just like pick a quote. It doesn't have to be a quote, you could draw something on it. I saw like really cool things where like they drew a picture and just colored the picture that they drew in black, and then behind was like obviously the page writing, which is really cool. But I'm gonna do like a quote and color the quote in black, obviously like with a fancy font or something. So you can really do whatever you want, make it your own. I'm going to write like enjoy the little things. So obviously like the little things in life are way more important than, you know, worries and stuff. So just enjoy the little things, because life is great when you do that. And I have lived by that for this whole summer, and this whole summer was the best summer ever. I'm back to school now, so it's really difficult because school is not enjoyable, let's just say that. So living by that was really helped me through the summer, and it really just made my summer amazing. So okay, so I just finished doing the pencil bit. I don't know if you can see that, but I just did the pencil bit, and with the like writing and the lines from the book, it was really easy to keep it all like straight instead of it going like wonky and stuff, because the lines really helped with, you know, keeping it all symmetrical and in the same line. Okay, so now that that's like all written, I'm going to go in with this drawing pencil. No, it's not a drawing pencil. It's a drawing pen. Well, it's not, well, it is a drawing pen, but it's just really fine. It's like really fine, and it's really good for this kind of stuff. So there is the first one. Okay, so now I'm just grabbing this marker. It's kind of like a skinny marker, it's not a fat marker, and I'm just coloring in the bits that are too thick to like color in with the pen because it's so fine, and I'm just coloring them in with the black. Okay, so from looking at it now, it's all kind of like filled in, but I feel like up here is too thin when looking at it because it just doesn't catch your eye. So I'm going to try and make it a small bit thicker. Is the writing bit done? It just says enjoy the little things. So I'm just going to write my name up here first of all with this pen or marker. Okay, so I wrote my name up there, but it's very like severe, so I just get some tissue and I just dab the area that has just been written on. Just going to take that pen and draw on a piece of paper like so, and then I'm just going to dab all over the black on the clipboard. And then it should look something like this. Like that. Okay, so the final piece to this is I am just drawing like kind of a design down by the number because there's obviously a page number on the book. So I'm just drawing a like little arrows but with no like arrow head, just like facing towards the number, and then I'm going to draw over that in the pen, and then it should turn out something like that. Mine isn't great because I didn't use a ruler, which wasn't the smartest idea. And then to finish it off, get a rubber and just all the pencil lines, just go over all of this with a rubber lightly, because then all the pencil lines that you can see, it will just, you know, make them disappear and make it look more sharp. Okay, so this is the final product, as you can see. Okay guys, so that is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment anything you want. And I will see you guys next Wednesday. And I will see you...